Yo. Hi. So I didn't do it yesterday. I wasn't really here. I had lots of things to do. But now I can, I think. So where we left off was I was stealing code for decrypting packages from, I want to say it was from Princess. So, yeah, so this is the code I stole from Princess. And I don't really get what it does. I'm guessing that this is the package name. I guess like the file name and then the file length. This already seems fairly simple. It's like a package header, right? So a package header. I'm trying to understand this code. So npd Okay, so this is like a package info, and it's got file name offset, file name length, the data offset, and the data size. Shouldn't file name offset be SCE off? And data size be SCE size? I feel like it should be like that, and then like it might not be. I mean, I'm gonna leave it how it is. Like, I don't know. What is SCE off anyway? Like, what actually is SCE off? SCE off via SDK. SCE off offset. If what is it? I don't know what SCE off is. Okay. Whatever. I don't think it matters that much. I guess here it's UN64. And here it's UN32. So there you go. Offset is UN64. That's UN32 apparently. Okay, and then it's just decrypt the package, and I'm guessing it's just. I mean, this seems pretty simple. Like, you know, like I feel like I could write a extractor with just this code. I feel easier. It's like, okay, we got the file name and offset. So we can read then the file name, like, you know, read the file name from here or whatever, right? Seek to the encrypted data offset plus the file name offset, right? Then read that and then decrypt it, and then that's the file name. Like, it actually doesn't seem that complicated. Like, honestly. Like, then it's now just, okay, then seek to the data offset, right? And then read, I don't know, like some amount of data every single time. But probably not like the full amount at once because the file could be big, but like still. And then decrypt, read, decrypt, read, decrypt, and then write the file like constantly. Like it doesn't sound that hard. Like honestly, based on the code I have here, like it doesn't actually seem like it's that difficult. So yeah. So GC toolkit, app. I guess I'm missing something here, but there's in here I have device, and there's like a way to do like callbacks. Right. Progress callback. Yes, this is what I want. So I want progress callback as like a thing. And this will be like, you know, the progress of extracting the package, so that we can have like an update as it does it. Right. Progress callback. Sweet. So is progress callback like defined in here? It might not be. That might be how you do it, and then you just call like you just call progress callback like this. You can just do that. Expand package like yeah, like for each item num like I guess you can have more than 2.4 million items inside a package. Damn. Okay, so it would be chow pkg file, and then it would be I and item num, right? Like that would be it. And then both of these into the uint64s. Okay. Yeah, that seems simple enough. Okay. Let me make it call this as like part of thing. Our folder or whatever. Let me add a pkg.h so we have this in here as well. Like that's like defined. pkg file pkg.h. Alright, so pkg file, pkg file, pkg file. That all seems fair. Okay. Then out and whatever. And depending on like the type, so if it's a file, then you write it. If it's a directory, you like if it's a self, you just write it. If it's PFS, like you just write it. Like all these are just files, like just in different places. So like whatever. Um, but anyway, let's see what the actual output of this is first. So let's call expand package in I think it's I want to say menu C. Yeah. Like do device I'm in GC toolkit here. I'm not in my thing. I'm in a different program. Okay. Menu.c. Okay. So so expand package is package done total. So that already is in like the right format. So all I need to do is do package decrypt, like and expand package like the package directory, and then row 0 temp game. Is it usual temp game for promoting? I don't remember. Let me look at Vita Shell. I don't remember what the folder for promoting games is. But like yeah. Basically. I mean for now I guess it doesn't matter because it's just testing. Like it's a different folder. One it's a different folder depending on where it's installed to anyway. But promote. I can't find promote. Is there not like a promote.c? I suppose it's out well. Package installer.c. This might be it. In Vita Shell. Promote CMA. It looks like it. It's like promote CMA, promote app. Delete app. Check app exists. FPKG HMAC. Wonder if this is like the code. What if this is how, like, what if this is how, like, FPKG, key is found? It's just, like, by, like, doing this. I don't know. Package blah, blah, blah. Okay, where is the promote directory, though? So that's for installing, like... I don't know. I'm just gonna put in UXO data. For now. And then the progress callback would be draw package decrypt, right? I believe that will, like, at least give us some sort of a progress bar. Then I just wanna... I don't know how you do promoting with, like, a progress bar either. Like package installer itself does, like, the official package installer has, like, a promoting as, like, a progress bar. I don't know how it does that. But let me open up msys2 shell. Let's also get some Celeste music running, just cause. I got some Celeste music. Okay. Is anyone in my comments yet? Is anyone, like, actually watching yet? No one commented anything. Oh, it's still called Stream Archive. Again, I did that again. Hang on. I call it Stream Archive again, like a freaking idiot. Okay, let me change the title to not include the word Stream Archive, and maybe people might actually click on it. Like... Okay, edit. Come on. Come on. Okay, save. Oh, it says to repeat one instead of repeat many. Okay, I changed the title. So let's get this build now. And I got like 1 billion errors. Awesome. In function draw select file. Function before draw select. What's it mad about? Menu C. Where's menu C? Here it is. Okay. In function draw. Oh. Got semicolons on these. Undefined reference to expand package. Is that because I have to go on CMakeIt and add ekg.c? So. Doesn't let me know. MPDM package O is defined in here. Okay. Package decrypt is also defined in here. Using package decrypt opt. That's not at all annoying. This is already all in here. However, who knows if the options are like actually the same. Okay. Let's look at npm package H within here then. We should be using the actual ones in Video SDK. Generally a bad idea. Okay, npm package. Actually, I guess this isn't kernel. This is normal user space, right? Yeah, npm package. Okay. Package decrypt opt, which is package decrypt opt. Package decrypt param. I also got a bit more data. Yeah, this is missing the int padding. Whatever. Okay, so we won't have this one. One of these defined because they're already defined. But interestingly, they don't have package info in here. Like npm package item info or whatever. They don't seem to have that. But identifier opt offset equals size of and then identifier instead flags identifier and then deck param gets used there. identifier. Yeah, so that seems to be about the same. The only difference is item here, which is I guess this is straight up reading it as like a struct inside the package. Okay. Uncode. Oh, I need to uncomment that. Okay. Okay, and then expected int, but argument with of type 4.0. Oh, okay. This needs to be actually a 0. And control is just have a non-void function. Oh, okay. I'll just make it void then. Actually, no, we won't make it void. I'll actually returning stuff. Unres. And then after all of this, return 0. After all of that, why is it that it's like okay, that should be down 1, that should be down 1. All of this should be down 1 as well. After everything, then on a return 0. Wait, what's this bracket even for then? It didn't even be here. npm package stub. Okay. Okay, so I don't actually need CEnet in here or registry MGL. PSH bridge maybe, FUTIL, FMGL, sure. There's FMGL stuff, PSM. There's 2 FUTIL. I don't think I need show SVC either. Cannot find npm package stub. What? Yeah, this isn't a npm package stub. What? we did ERB, gib. Is it just nptelm stub then? Is that because Wiki isn't it wrong? Okay, I actually did need to show SVC. I didn't remove SCE audio, did I? I don't need 2 AccuTools, so we definitely don't need 2 AccuTools. I don't think we need registry. And we don't need net. Or even submodule. Or even this module, honestly. What? Okay, but it's there? Like, fine, I'll add go in then. Like, okay, but I didn't remove SCE audio, like, it was still there. I'm like, yas. Very yas. Okay, you don't need 2 AccuTools, so. What's the second AccuTool? Is that the issue? What? So, wait, so I need 2 AccuTools. I don't know if this AccuTool and this AccuTool, it will say it's can't find audio, it's just a completely different sub. Yeah, okay, what? Let me try to clear out the build folder. And then make the build folder again. And then what? Does it have to be like all this? Is it like the order in which I'm doing it? Does like I have to have all this and then audio like afterwards? Like I'm fucking. This makes no sense. I just removed the second AccuTool, and now it doesn't build. Okay, that works. I just have to have that before everything else. Okay, cool. Nothing else in this here doesn't need to be here. Like, net does not need to be here. This module does not need to be here. Registry does not need to be here. I don't think I'm using IME either. I'll move add to store to be right underneath that one. Okay, cool. What's after? It's like net debug mgl or something. Net debug log pc. That if I can click on it without crashing. Okay. So build real package installer. Where I click the button. I clicked on it, that doesn't seem to have done anything, which is interesting. I got a message. There's the poll ending. Okay, so, yeah, I got absolutely nothing from running expand package like that. Like, what? Like, it just freezes. Let's see, what about main C? So it calls do package decrypt in a U. Okay, maybe not like in a U. After that, we can then go back to handle main menu option, I guess. So that we know it's done. Yeah, do bang package, whatever. So, send S, function, like, package decrypt or whatever. But so before we call this, I think we wanna, before I call that, I wanna actually call enable dev packages. Like, you know, and then disable dev package. I'm gonna do that before decrypting the package so you can do dev packages with it, right? And then I can print so install package %S package and mount employee committee as well. I guess like that better. Okay. RPKG2. Okay. Like, okay, so you see it does do package decrypt and then disable dev package, so it does do it. Just never gets anywhere, it seems. But why wouldn't it go anywhere? I guess if it doesn't open, I guess if it can't open the file, it doesn't actually print that. So that's FD. Okay. Okay, let's see how that looks now. I'm guessing what's happening is it's not passing like the whole file name, like it's just the file name and not like anything else. Yeah, it's just I'm just trying to open the straight file name without anything else. I see. Okay, I only know how to fix that much at least. Like child path, full path, max path, sn printf, full path, size of full path -1, EKG like SF-S, EKG install location and package. I believe that's what I want to do, right? And then that, like, right? I guess maybe before we even, like, full output path. I'm going to do this actually before we even call this. Like, yeah. Okay. I guess it's like annoying because it's like, yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's give that a go. Okay, well that's UXO package. Whatever. Let me get MPTM package check. This, which is interesting. What does that mean? Let's have a look. I mean, isn't that control? Yes. You can. It's just annoying to do. Or it's not annoying. No, this thing on Vita is annoying. And this thing on network on Vita is annoying anyway. But why didn't that work? Permission denied. E-access. Huh. You know, what pout does it fail on? Package check. E-access on package check. How? I am spoofing, yeah, I'm spoofing the package installer off ID. Right? Is that working? So that's that. And then let's have a look at, okay, PKG to zip, SCE utils is in here. QE28. How did I mess that up? Alright, QE28, yeah, how the hell did I screw that up? Yeah, now it's 228 on both. Okay, so I should have permission now. Let's see. Yes! Oh yeah, it worked. Unknown cert.bin. What is cert.bin? That is not one I've seen before. But yeah, as you can see, we got the list of every single entry in here. And just to check, let's also try the MPDOM free package. Yup. Okay, cool. Okay, good. This is a good start. Okay. So now we just need to make it write all these files, right? If it's a directory, we just create the directory. Like, we don't care. But, yeah. Just write these files out. Like, I believe temp.bin. I'm not sure. Maybe cert.bin is the riff. If not, I don't know how it gets the riff for a package install or whatever, but I believe it might be this. Alright, let's try actually extracting it. Try recoding it to actually extract. Void decrypt. Okay, so an offset child buffer. I mean, right, and then if it's a directory, then that's just like this. This is nice, no, but I don't like this code. This code's like messy. I get what it's doing, but it's like messy, and I probably want to just rewrite it. So honestly, I'm gonna do that. I want like the decrypt as like its own function, basically. You just like passing them, so they don't have to like, deal with this stupid ass um uh thing. Like this is dumb. Equals offset. Alright. Size and buffer size. Int res equals some res, right? Okay. Instead of C and printf, it should be like print star. And then buffer would be here. Buffer size. And then decrypt option, right? And these should honestly be an enum, right? I'm guessing like this is a specific type of Fjags percentage. Okay, so Fjags is this. So free is for is dough, free is file. So there's one unknown is 17, it looks like. Yeah, I guess 17. Okay, so so I can replace this entire thing here with just res equals decrypt size of item times I item like and item size of item, right? I can replace this entire thing with just that. See how much easier that is? PKG decrypts. Why is this C a memset? This is regular memset. Okay. Also, I prefer this being. I prefer this as just regular like uint 32. Yeah, it's easier to file. Like. So much easier. Also, okay, why are we even doing this? Like, why not just set this to itself? Yep. And you can just use item dot follow it, like. Like, that's much easier, I think. Item data offset equals item data offset. Like, just B swap each one like that. We memset and then we lseek to the encrypted data offset plus the final name offset. We read that and then this whole thing computer hits with the PKG decrypt again. PKG ent name, yank, and then all of this can go. It's much easier to see. PKG ent name, where's that set? There? It should be like. Definitely shouldn't be there. Actually, I guess it's fine, but. Why is this plus? Okay, why isn't the PKG header just like a struct? total item is a better name than item num. And then I can just be item. Okay, fine, code item. Like, okay, this doesn't use, like, a header, like, a structure. Like, this is just, oh yeah, PKG header plus 0x2014 and 0x20. Like, that's annoying. That should be a struct. Is there a PKG header struct, like, anywhere I can use? strnprintf smprintf size of f is that to be out folder / pg name, right? And now print style xf file type file equals that pkg type go equals 0x4 pkg type self 0xe pkg type efs file equals 0x11 pkg type efs do equals 0x12 and then pkg type sys I'll just be like the rest, really. 10. Break. Wait, what was 10? PFS, the SC sys file. Right, bricks equals 16. Alright, so I can get rid of that one, and then keystone is 10, so EKG type keystone was 10. KF sign is 15. And then 13, it would be what? 16 is right suffix. I already put that in. 15 is KF sign. 10 is keystone. 13 is temp bin. KG type temp bin equals 13. 18 is dig spin, which I've never even heard of, but whatever, we'll have a look at it. Dig bin equals 0x 18. It's 13 and 18. I think 17 was sub bin, right? Yeah, 17 was sub bin. Okay, PKG type sub bin equals 0x 17. Okay, now let's just pop these in like the right order. And I mean, this is clearly also PFS, I'm just saying. PFS keystone, 10, 11, 12. PFS. PFS temp-bin. These are all PFS, actually. Pretty sure. Created. 10, then 12, 13, missing 14, 15, 16, 18. Okay, these ones can actually be like SC still. Okay, 12, 13, 14, type PFS kill sign. And then 16, 17, 18, yeah, type SC sys 16, 17, 18. 0, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's in order now. I actually don't care, I only want like I want all the files to be like one case. No, it does be another case. I don't care what type of file it is. I just want to extract the thing. Okay. Alright, so that's like the default case, and then all the others does. Also include flags and whatever. Okay, so this is the case for all files, and then this is the case for all directories. Right? Not STIOMKDO. I'm gonna guess I can do that, and then I believe I can do that, create the directories, and then this would be code to extract the package, the actual file data, which seems easy enough. Like, it actually isn't that complicated. It doesn't look like, unless I'm missing something, like. Duplicate type def. Huh? Oh. Okay, it's actually a bug here. Technically speaking, the file name here could be longer than this array. There. It's potentially a vulnerability, but it's fixed it. Greater than. Yeah. I guess I can do it this way. I believe that works, right? Yeah, so if it's greater, then just use the size of the thing, otherwise use the actual yank. I should effectively do it in multiple cases. Okay. There's still no one watching my stream. Kind of sad. Item starts following offsets. Okay. Let's see if that still works correctly. Okay, well, it does work. It gags. It pauses the music for a second though sometimes. Okay, but let's see. It should have written it to out file, UXO data media resources, right? Yeah, okay, that is there. This is where writing the folder somewhere else isn't a good idea. What is package installer using again? Doesn't package installer use ptemp? I want to say package installer uses ptemp, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna use UXO temp game. Okay, well, that does kind of work. Maybe I can put some of this into different folders to it. Okay, this part here where it gets the item, like decrypt item, that could be a function, right? So SCEUID EKG FP okay, yeah, stop PKG item, yeah. Item ID. Okay. Let's just this entire thing now can just be and item current item, right? I think. Yeah. if res greater than or equal to 0, then we do all this, and then we return this. Okay. So now it's like you decrypt item, and then we get the item like file name offset, and then we read that by PKG name. We read the file. We decrypt that, and then we then we'll actually like extract file. So I'll make a function to extract the file. fd uid pkg fd fd shouts out output file right, and then out file or whatever size t file length. Okay, so then I just wanna I just want to extract file fd inc data offset item the file data offset or yen or something, right? The other thing we'll do is seek to put the data offset, which isn't public. God damn it. I don't know what that is, so I guess the seek before then. We have pointer the item though, so we're not copying item. And then we're gonna do is make and item, like that. Item dot data offset. Right, and extract file. I'm just guessing. I'm just literally just guessing this implementation. I have never written a packaging extract before, and I'm just like guessing this is how it works. So you seek to the location of the file, and then you would just like read. I don't know how much, like some amount of bytes, and decrypt and write to a file. Like that's like my guess. WFD equals. Bro, this is like important. UID, WFD, LD, write, like read write, right? Out file. Right now, SCIO read, shell buffer, like, 180. I'm just gonna like, I'm going to assume it doesn't matter. I'm probably wrong. And then I'll have to place my other fucking package decryption utility to real guess, but so out so read into buffer size of buff in total red equals that, right? And we've got int say item size equals item data size, right? Now int total red equals 0, do this while total is yes than item size. I guess item data size, like that. Okay, so while that's yes than that, int red equals scio read fd out file like buffer size of buffer, right? And then total red just equals red. Assuming red is greater than or equal to 0. Yes and 0. Then print so scio read %x, %0x, %x, %n read, return read. So if it fails to read, then we give an error. Otherwise, yeah, so then we read the buffer, and then we just DKG decrypt, right? I'm guessing I just put in like item data offset just equals total read, right? And then buffer, and then after that we scio write total red just equals scio write wfd buffer red, right? I mean, I don't even need the error checks. I mean, if it errors, then I don't think scio read can error, actually. Like, I don't think it can, but I could be wrong. Of course it can, like a memory card's removed or something. Whatever. Oh yeah. scio kills wf. Yeah. Can't forget about that. Okay. Okay. I did not mean to open that. Okay. There we go. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually make a define error checked. And then VA args, if VA args, or again, this is X. If X, less than equal to 0, less than 0, then print so percentage s equals percentage x percentage x well that is equal to hashtag x so int red equal x. Right, and then if res less than 0, then we print that and we print res, right? And this whole thing can be represented to while 0. Right, and that way I can kind of easily do error checking if I having to worry about doing this over and over again, because this is like annoying. Return 0. We can just return 0 otherwise, right? Like, that's fine. Right, we can just check WFD, and like it's so much faster. Like we can just do that. Like, I think that works. Is anyone even watching the stream? Why am I even streaming this if no one's gonna be up? Alright, well, error checked this. Error checked that. Just everything. Error check everything. It's like these are package files. These are like arbitrary inputs, so it could really do anything. I could have like complete email form packages in here, and I want not to crash if they are. So, yeah. Anyway, I believe that works. Like a while before int and PKGC 927. 927. Oh. In PKG 64. Right, it doesn't actually need to be there. Okay. Oh, there's arrow tracks fucking everywhere. Okay. So, UXO. So it was temp game. Right, but then the file was empty for some reason. The file shouldn't be empty. Like it should. There should be code in here to actually extract the package. Like this should do that. Extract file should do that. Okay, replace. Yes. Okay, let's give this a shot now. What happens? WFD, that, which is what? . No such file directory. Why? The 10th game SCSS, that works. SCSS eval, that works. SCSS parent.sfl, that gives me an error. Saying the folder doesn't exist. Why? Why though? SEO create, I have to do that too as well, don't I? What does this mean? Does that mean the file already exists? Maybe we shouldn't be checking errors on SCI or MK though. Maybe not. So if we remove all the files first, we have recursive delete the folder and then do it, then like it should be fine to check. But for now, we just won't. Let's issue now, WFD. Invalid argument. How do you SCIO open for like writing? How does that work? Only 0777. Okay. See, that took a lot longer. Well, it's here. Like, I can read the Param Sifo, so maybe? I think this is the riff. I think cert.bin the cert.bin has a bunch of stuff in it, and right at the end is the like got the riff. It looks like it's kind of interesting. Let me get these files off here. We're gonna have a look at them. So we can see if we did it right. Basically, beta temp. Looking for UXO data temp game. Not UXO temp dating. It's just UXO temp game. Alright, I'm gonna copy this out. Okay. So I want to kind of show, like, I'm not sure this is cool. I'm not sure runtime version is supposed to look like this. Like, I don't think that's right. But copyright text, that looks right. Like, a couple of these files look potentially wrong, but, like, if we look at Param Sifo, for example, this is clearly, like, Param Sifo. Like, yeah. Like, that's Param Sifo for you. Like, right there. And if we look at, like, temp bin, this, I believe, is the riff for the game. You know, the only thing I'm wondering about is, like, why is runtime version got all of this extra stuff in there it shouldn't be here? It's exactly 128 bytes. Oh, I think know what's happening. Okay, so what I think happened is that, this buffer, it read this buffer, and then like, the buffer somehow got written with the same size as, like, before. But how would that happen? Because this gets called, like, on every file, right? A check file is called in every file based on the ink data offset plus the item data offset. Like, it seeks there. Oh, I'm not checking if that worked. That's potentially the issue. Yeah, ink data offset plus item data offset, right? Size of buffer being yes in this size, then just use that, otherwise it's the size of the buffer. Yeah, something like that. So if the size of the buffer is yes, then the data size minus the amount read, then just use the item data size, otherwise just use the buffer. Thinking that's potentially what the problem was. Right, read size equals that. Now I can just shove this whole thing into error checked, like. Print, so read size okay, so oh finally someone's in the comments. Error check circle. Yeah, I'm trying to extract the package. And I don't actually know what I'm doing. Read undefined. Oh, right here. I guess I want like that, and then like arrow checked read, or if read is not equal to read size, then I don't know. Arrow checked -1. Like I believe that will work well. Okay, 1337. App UXO app app PKG. And then another thing, I'm gonna just delete the temp game folder. New folder, temp game. I really should add like a recursive delete function to here to just delete whole folders for me. But not yet. Okay, so go. the program crashed. Why did the program crash? Well, the program crash's read size was 650 and the max size was 1080. Did I do this backwards? Is it like I meant to do this probably. I probably meant that. Okay. Okay, so that reads 180 and that reads 1650. Oh, that's why. Yeah, this needs to be that. Okay. Let's refresh this so it'll go away. Okay. Alright, so run it again. Hopefully it'll work this time. Hey. Kinda going. Okay. Okay, now my runtime version is actually the right size. Yeah, all these files are actually the right size now. I think I extracted it correctly. Not bad for someone who's literally never written a package extractor before. Yeah, I think I have all the files now. The only thing is, yeah, the only thing now is like, F crash. Yeah, the F crash. It works now. So I think I extracted the files correctly now. So let me delete game, and then let me copy temp game off. Why do I need permission from myself to modify? Okay. Stupid Windows. Let's copy this off now. Okay, so now the package. This is the extracted package data. Believe. And if we have a yoke, you'll see this is now only like. Okay, HXD is like annoyed at me because I just forced killed everything. Okay, look at this now. That's weird. Wait, it's a different size my computer than it is on here. What the hell? Try that again. My 10th game. That makes no sense. It was correct on the console, and then I copied it off, and now it's not correct. Okay, what? Runtime version is 6 bytes on my Vito, but once I copy it off, it's like 5 kilobytes. What? Like, actually? I want to show how like, it totally works now, and then it's just like being very strange. Okay. What? You're seeing this, right? Just extract and promote. Yeah, PKG, I know. You just extract and then promote it. Yeah, I know. Okay, well, it extracts fine on console, but my FTP server apparently doesn't like me, and it's copying the still broken data. The thing that makes it hard, Jody, is the way you promote content is different for every single type of package. Another thing I want to point out is I don't actually have. Okay, this code I'm using doesn't have a proper PKG header. Like it's just this. I don't like that. Is there like a struct of the PKG header anywhere? If I can just like copy and paste in here, because like that'll be so much better. Like so much better. If you know of any. I imagine like PKG decrypt or something probably has it in it. Let me go grab PKG decrypt and then use its headers. Okay, here's PKG file header. Yeah. PKG extended. This is all pretty good. Item record. This is all like pretty much what I want. Like, honestly. Okay, but packed. What's packed defined as? I guess probably platform age, right? Actually, packed looks nice, so I'm just gonna just drop this at the top. Okay, Okay, so I think I don't actually need MPD image. I think I just want package H. But since our MPDM already has everything for packaging it already. Okay, but your item record is what this would be called. It's the same thing, right? Yeah, it's the same thing. File name offset, file name yen. File name offset, file name yen. Okay. Okay, PKG name, blah blah blah. Okay, so now I have an actual PKG file header, right? Which is helpful. Also error check, like the L6. Okay. I don't know how, is this like correct? I'm just gonna make this max path as well. And then if this is like the case, then I'll just, I honestly just arrow checked like 2. Like, it's like a check for that. File name yen, blah blah blah. So yeah, this all seems fair. So now I can so instead of total item being PKG header plus, you know, whatever, it can just be like this be PKG file header item count, right? And data offset, I think. Yeah, it's gotta be data offset. PKG header, so that, like and signs one of it now. Okay. The PKG header, and then instead of that, it can just be PKG header dot total item, right? Honestly, instead of storing it like a separate thing, and just do that instead to itself. But like flipped. Total item, item count, and then yeah. So I'm gonna guess that's what is item count. I don't know, but item count. And then data offset be pkg header dot data offset equals I'm gonna say UN64. So is data offset a UN64? Yes. I believe head.bin is just the PKG header, like directly. Okay, so yeah, we read that. Equals PKG count, like total item count, all the LCs can just be item PKG header, whatever, right? Yeah, it seems reasonable. Does that work? Let's repeat item count times. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Can you even read my code? File name didn't mean file name size. Yes, I did actually. Passing decrypt item from incorrect pointer type. SCPKG item info. Alright, that's PKG item record now. Decrypt item PKG item record. You know. So includes npdmh, which doesn't even exist. I'm gonna delete npdmh from here because not needed. I just tried to use fucking, like, all I wanted to do was use like headers instead. Also, this code's still like a pain to read, like even with all these improvements. Like it's still like, oh yeah, I'll seek some, maybe see some comments, like you know, read and decrypt item record entry, and then like read and decrypt item file name, right? And then you know, yeah, just seeks this. All this code here does is seek to the file name, but like it has to make sure like the file name is like the right size. Otherwise like it wouldn't work, right? And it's like so all the stuff here is like trying to make sure the file name is like the right size. And then this is like there's like so much code for what very little was actually doing. I'm kind of annoyed by that. Like I feel like I would want read and decrypt into the same thing. This was like decrypt requires the offset, but like offset by. I guess it's not impossible to put into one. Like you'd have to SCEIO tell. We have to like, get the tell, like tell where it is, and then minus the data offset from it, and then use pass that into decrypt. I guess. Maybe you could. Like ideally, I want the read to be like built in as like its own thing, whatever. Maybe truncate past the ask character. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, if I really want to fix that, I can just do that. But like, yeah, there we go. There's that, and then here is that. So let's have a look now. I've already got it extracting the package. Like that part already works. I'm just trying to make it look nicer. I'm trying to make the code a bit nicer and Also, I think you also need to like extract like head.bin and like a couple other files we haven't gotten here yet either. That's not hard, right? Okay, so game, cool. So copy that over. Yes. Okay, and now let's have a look. Install npm3 package, psm runtime, and now it doesn't work. Now it doesn't work. Let me put size off, correct size off. Okay, so what is the issue with that? Unknown error name. Okay, that's cool. What exactly has changed there? Like, okay, so I was looking at this code from Princess earlier about how to use npm package, right? And her example it checks 8,000 bytes for the package check, right? But something tells me that the size of this is not like 8,000. Maybe it's the size of like both of these combined, or like all three of these. Who knows? But yeah. So let me actually print the like this is how like it should be. Like size of pkg file header equals, right, pkg file header like it needs to be, I think it needs to be that big. I think I guess the issue. And maybe like if I print all of these, like maybe like the combined all of these or something is. I mean, just as I could test debug anyway, I'm just gonna print what it is. But like, I'm not sure what's up with that. The other option is just to make it a buffer and then just cast the buffer into a pkg header, which I could easily do. Like, that wouldn't be hard. Okay, yeah, that's definitely not 8,000. Okay. pkg had 8,000. I guess I want like, I guess I'm gonna just error check here as well, right? Okay, so we want pkg head, size of pkg head, but then we want pkg file header, pkg header equals pkg file header of pkg head. Like I think that will work. Oh, pkg buff. Just call it pkg buff because like it's not clear what the first 8,000 bytes of a package are. Actually, I can check that. What is the first 8,000 bytes of a package anyway? Like here, so it's like from here up to here is what gets past the check. Which is interesting. I guess it's like the entire. I guess it's like a lot of data in there, I suppose. Alright, pkg buff. Honestly, let's do it this way, like. There you go. I'll change the naming scheme later. Like, yeah. pkg buff. And then pkg header equals that. And now I can just do, like, check pkg buff, size of pkg buff. But now I can use pkg header, like, I don't know. Like that, basically. Like, you know? Yeah, that should work. Maybe we shouldn't print every single fucking read. Like, it might be a bit slow. But still. Total red. Total red. Okay, so that's code to extract files. Like, that's simple enough. Except, I apologize, I am changing it here is actually also changing it in PKG buff. Because, yeah, okay, hang on. Yeah, okay, I know, that's an issue. So we want PKG file header, we just want PKG header by itself. And then mem copy, and PKG header, PKG buff, size of PKG file header like that. Okay. I guess everywhere I keep using like lseek. I guess yeah, I actually can put these all into like one function. Because I'm using lseek anyway with an offset. So I can just lseek PKG header, like data offset plus whatever, read decrypt as like one function. Let's actually do that. Okay, so I guess PKG header, PKG file header, sorry, header offset, void, whatever. So it would be header data offset, right? Plus offset. Then you'd read the file. Error check like all of this, right? So you seek to this place, data offset plus offset. Then you read it into buffer, right? Then you decrypt buffer. PKG decrypt, which is offset buffer size. So offset buffer size, right? And that's just straight up reading, like, whatever. I guess this can just be like, okay, so press Control D to create lines in Notepad++. That's kind of cool. Actually, let me make a struct. PKG state, right? And this will have like STUID PKG FD. Then PKG file header, PKG header, PKG like yeah, something like that. So now you have like the PKG state as like its own thing. Type def struct PKG state, PKG state. So now I can just pass like PKG state state, and now I can just use like state fd, right? And then state, say like PKG header dot data offset. Yeah, offset, whatever. Okay, that seems a bit better. Let's call PKG read. So you like go this area, read this data. You know. Cool. So now, for now I can just do PKG state. Now I can do end state dot PKG header, right? I can also do state fd honestly, I'm gonna make a function called like open PKG, right? And chow PKG file, and PKG state, state. Right, and this is kind of just gonna create the state object. So memset state, so size of PKG state. Okay. open pkg, pkg file, and state pkg file, right? And I'm gonna print. I'm gonna do all that. I'll check that. And then package check. And then copy state pkg header from pkg buff. pkg buff 0 size of pkg buff. Okay, so state pkg header, whatever. State pkg header. So yeah, that should basically do it. So I think I don't. So I probably need to B-swap everything in here, right? Yeah, all of this needs to be B-swapped, I think. I'll just do it as I need it, but that should be alright. Should be fine. Open pkg, so yeah, so all that. So now I can just call open pkg. I mean, I'd error check it, but like, yeah, just open pkg, right? And now I don't need any of this. Why is this wrap gonna do wild 0? Okay, so so pkg item records. Let's add that to the state as well. pkg item. And now I can just add like a read item, right? So at the moment, read item is like this, but I could just make it do this for you, like, right? Like decrypt item could just be this is the pkg state of the current state. Then all it actually needs to do, right, item index or whatever, is now this is the offset, right? All I have to do is pkg read offset state offset state pkg item size of pkg item record. Alright, so we just do that. that's all done automatically. Okay. I'm gonna print stuff for now, like read offset direct percentage x offset, right? So what I think that means I can do is I can just grab defect item and do this whole thing. It's just like one option, yeah. Like bam. And now it's read the pkg read and state state dot item dot file name offset, and then actually I can be inside here even. Inside equipped item, like I can just in here, right? I guess not, I don't actually have that buffer in here. Whatever. State pkg item yes and greater than size of like whatever. Then we set that. Then we pkg read pkg item file name offset pkg file name size of file name pkg file name. Yeah, I don't need any of this now. Like I think that's it. And then you seek there and you extract file. Except no, extract file should also have just use state, right? State FD, okay. Okay, so I believe that should work. Okay, I also got yes code now. Let's see if it builds. No, it does not build. Most of it's just it's just names being long, from what I can see. Right, states, pkg, item, dot data size. Okay. Expected, blah blah blah. Well, I'm gonna call it pkg buff. pkg 83. Yeah, I did mean that. State fd, pkg buff. No. Right, here it is. pkg hello, like that actually. pkg hello underkilled. Oh, I know why. It's here, yeah, it's the if state dot pkg hello. Dot item count. No, that's not a pointer. And states with that, and then an extract file. One first thing to do is seek from state fd, state fd pkg header, to just state pkg item, yeah. Progress callback. State item count. Update progress in GUI. Shows pkg state. And then there's also memset, the state thereof. Okay. In function pkg read, function reaches the end of check that. pkg item of yags. Bango, hi. I don't know. Let's see, L3 now. Oh, it's because I'm doing state 2. Oh, right, because it's not a pointer in here. This is just straight up. What's the problem now? No, I'm still doing it here. And here. And here. I just call it rel file name, like relative file name. Okay. It looks a lot nicer, the code does, but it should hopefully still work. Well, thing seems to crash. I'm not sure why. Also, I'm not getting any of these PKG read messages. -1. That means the read wasn't equal to right. Why? Read size, total read. Okay, let's just... Like, it's a param cipher, it shouldn't take a while to extract, but then it does. Say picogram data size plus, like data size minus total read, 0 at the moment. I should also put total read in here. The box it extracts packages now. We're just trying to clean up the code so it looks nicer and isn't all how impossible to read. Then I'm gonna make it try promote the package, which should make it actually install. And then I'm gonna try a bunch of random package types like ESM, whatever. And we'll see how that goes. But for now, yeah, basically, it's working, but we're having issues. Like, it's not okay. I just changed the code up a bunch, and now it doesn't work like when it was working before. PKG read item. I'm actually look at what did her code do again? Princess's code. Data offset plus font. So it was encrypted data offset plus size of item times I. The data offset is the data offset. So encrypted data offset plus size of item times I. An item is this. It was the same size as my one at PKG. It's 32, 32, 64, 64, 32, 32. And that should still be the same size. I guess it's not packed on this one. Is it the fact it's packed? PKG header right. Okay, so header size, the data offset is here, which in here it was PKG header plus 20, so we go to 20. 220, and we go to 220. This is apparently the first item. Maybe? This code should work then. It's like read. Yeah, it's It's read like states PKG read state size of times item index, and PKG read is data offset plus like the offset you specify. But that doesn't work. In fact, as soon as I try to read, it doesn't even call like PKG read once. I guess it's done manually here, like it seeks to the right spot by itself. Yeah, I guess this is like the best we got then. Okay, so total read isn't increasing. Oh, I called this total read when there's already an int called total. That's my issue. These are both called total read. Total done? Or like complete? All file or something? I don't know. Let's go with all file. I don't know. I guess it's total read, and that's a good name. I guess this can be like AMT read, and this can be total read. And AMT written. So, get amount of data to read. Read the data, you know, decrypt the data, write decrypted data. Okay, there we go. Now I've got like some idea of what it's doing. What's the actual format of the package? Surprisingly simple, actually. I thought the format was a lot more complicated than this, but it's actually really simple. Like, it's got a header that says how many there are, and directly after that is a list of items. And then you read. OBS died. Of course it did. We're gonna reconnect. Cool. Thanks. Thanks, OBS. Okay. Okay, that failed. Writing. Oh, SCE module. Okay, that's already in there when it shouldn't be. It's already a text in there. Why'd that happen? Like, actually, why did that happen, though? Like, okay, so I go install whatever. It breaks at Keystone, and then STE sys, like, pick 0 and STE module, like, huh? What? Like, icon 0 is fine, kill sign's fine. Like, light suffix, that's fine, sys, what, kill sign's fine. Icon 0, then pick 0, PNG, but it's like keystone slash pick 0 slash SE module, like, what is that about? It looks like there's just extra data in there. Let's try clearing it out first. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll fix it. I did not mean to copy the VPK logo. Okay. What? Genuinely just what? Why? Why is it doing that? Just memset both of these at the start. Instead of like, okay, PKG read, file name offset, file name offset. So it's like reading the file name. Oh, wait, I know what the issue is. Yeah, I know what I did wrong. Okay, I know what I did wrong. So I need to, this isn't file name, this should be, like the file name size. Right? Yeah, it should be the file name size. Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. it's extracting the package. So, if I check, if I go grab this package off now, I should go actually like read the package now. Like, it should be here. I just go to UX0 temp game, I believe it is, and I just like refresh this. I copy this off. Like, this should be the package I just tried to extract, which is like half of it, right? It's extract the package, then after you extract the package, then you can promote the package. So let's see here. I've got like the files, and I can open up parent.ssfo, and you'll see here like this is files inside the package. And I believe we also found that temp.bin is this is the riff, the game, right? So that's cool. That's like everything you need in theory. But there's a few other files that would be extracted, like head.bin and tail.bin and a bunch of other bin files that aren't included here. I need to work out how those are done. But for the most part, this works. Like, this is working now, so that's cool. Right. So if I were to select a different folder, so I go nuke temp game, and then create it again. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up again, and now just about to click on the debug package, and that should also work. This is like really slow because of all this debug printing. The other thing is the other thing I want to do is because it's bugging me. The menu music keeps cutting out because I'm streaming it. Like, the music I have in here is cutting out because I'm streaming it. So let me like not stream it. I believe that's all I have to do. Not stream the data. Quit yagging, please. Okay, well, this is like taking ages because this is like really slow because it's like printing every single fucking bit it's reading. Can we like stop doing that? PKG into the everyone. It is running on the VS Vita, yes. I can't show you my screen, unfortunately, of my Vita, but it's still printing the total reads. Did I forget to remove that? I did forget to remove that. But yeah, this is an app for the actual Vita. Fairly close. I mean, package extraction is the first step. So you extract the package and then you promote the package, basically. So yeah, so that's how it works. So the fact it's able to extract it is a good sign. Okay, it's running so much faster now. It's running so much faster now. Let me make this a bit bigger. Let's make this like 80,000 or something. Just cause. Does it have to be a static chow? I don't think it has to be a static chow. I mean, a static chow means it doesn't have to bother allocating it, so I guess like maybe that's faster. Probably is faster. That's also including if amount written is not equal to the amount read. I guess that should be set to amount read as well. Then we will put like 3. I'm just gonna do -2, and I'm gonna change the other one to -2. It'll be -3. Which is in here somewhere. There's another like -1, -2, whatever, like in here somewhere. But I don't remember where. Here it is. Okay. This should be -3. Okay. Promoting means creating a bubble, basically. It's creating a bubble. That's basically all it is. Okay, so menu C. Int res equals that. I'll make this an int. Okay, now there's a few other things we need from in here. So PKG decrypt. It needs we need head.bin and we need tail.bin and all those files as well, which okay, so head.bin is the PKG header data offset plus table size. Okay. So it's SCIO MKDO UXO temp. I should make sure we all these files are here. Okay. So other aspect of this basically. Create head bin and tail bin. Okay, so head.bin equals state. So the PKG reads oh, that's the length of it. Okay. Int head bin size equals. I guess I could just make it a function like int read bin. Read PKG read head bin shall like pointer head bin PKG state okay. Because I believe you need this to create like, could be wrong, but I believe you need this to create such things. State PKG header data offset plus like what is metadata? What is metadata actually? Like what is PKG metadata? It's here. But wait, is that ever read? I don't think I get this built in and agree to App Store. Oh yeah, so Shell has this in it built in with background download, like obviously, and package like the default package installer has this code, that code like this in it. PKG fill metadata. What does this do? So there's like a Hello data offset, minus info offset. So the increase to data offset minus the, okay. That's not confusing. Okay, so I need to basically need to do it this way. Okay, so info offset minus, and then it's just info offset. So seeks to info offset and then reads, yeah, okay. Get head bin location. Okay, so pkg read pkg header pkg header, so then we just read the info offset. Right? Am I right? How does pkg seek do? Depends what pkg seek does, because I don't know what pkg seek does. It seeks to the file position. File path. Yeah, so it just seems to seek straight there. Without caring what it is. So I guess I need the lseek then. You have an info lseek or whatever. How does lseek work? I used it earlier. Lseek, yeah, okay. FD location SC seek set, okay. State FD SCE seek set. So arrow checked. I checked that. And then what does pkg read do? Like, okay, if it's not passive, that doesn't equal to malloc yank, and then at the end of the cell, free head then. Oh, but no, I can't because I'm using error check, so it will return if this. Okay, so instead of who's allocate then? So it's just this part of the byte. It's just this many bytes. Like it looks complicated, but it's actually just the nth many bytes after info section, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's just. Okay, we need metadata size first. So metadata like data like PKG metadata. We need this, right? PKG fill metadata. So um. This looks more complicated than what I was looking at. So it's got like blocks. So it's like a block, like it's malloc, like it's a recent, and then it reads the length into that block, I guess, and then memsets metadata. So wait, what's metadata? Okay, metadata is whatever you pass here. So memsets metadata, and then stream info count, right? And then metadata is equals whatever is at these spots within the blocks. This looks complicated. I don't like this. Alright, well, I'll be, we'll do this tomorrow because I'm, like, really tired of doing stuff. And we got to extract the files. It's, like, the main thing. So, yeah. See you all, I guess.